Hi guys, this is Okelzama the stylist. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again guys with another beautiful hair tutorial. Okay, so as you can see guys, I sectioned my hair into 8 lines, but you can section your hair the way you want. Okay, yeah, the way you want, but I did section my hair into 8 lines guys. If I tell you that people are going crazy with this hairstyle, people are going crazy guys with this hairstyle, you won't believe it. So yeah, as you can see, I was busy crocheting my hair. I used the kinky afro hair and then I did cut it into half. That's why it's not that long, but you can use any kinky hairpiece you want, and then it's up to you whether you cut it into half or you want it to be long. Okay, so yeah, people are going crazy guys with this hairstyle. Okay, so what I did this kinky afro, I cut it into half because I wanted something that will look natural guys. I wanted something that will look like my own hair, because if it's long, I believe people will be like, no ways, your hair will never be that long. Okay, so the length that I used, the length that I selected, the length that I'm going with, people are going crazy everywhere where I'm going guys. People are like, hi Zama, which hairstyle is this? Zama, which product are you using? Zama, is this your hair or is this a hairpiece? Like, people are confused guys, like everywhere. When I'm walking on the street, people are just asking me, so can you see this part here? Can you see this part? It's showing that part. Okay, then this is the method I'm doing to close this particular part. Okay, we are closing that section guys so that it will look natural. We have to close that section so that it will look natural. It will look like your hair straight from the scalp. Okay, so yeah, just stay tuned guys and see the outcome of this hair tutorial. It is very beautiful. It is beautiful guys. It is very beautiful guys. I'm going crazy. So can you see, after doing that method, can you see, looks like your own natural hair guys. Show me the hair. Just show me the hairpiece. Where is the hairpiece here? Can you see the hairline? Where is the hairpiece guys? Where is the hairpiece? Show me the hairpiece. I can't see anything called hairpiece. Can you see my hairline guys? I'm so excited with this hairstyle. Like, it's driving me crazy. Yo guys, I don't believe that I did this on my first attempt. It was my first attempt trying this hairstyle guys. It was first time trying this crochet hairstyle on my head, and the outcome, I couldn't believe my eyes. I couldn't believe my eyes guys. Yo, I san. So yeah guys, you can just check it out on my live stream. If you want to see the full video, you can go and check it out there, because yeah, I just selected the few parts so that I can show you guys here, because it took me like 2 hours to finish this hairstyle. Yeah, it took me like 2 hours plus, but anyway, I hope you can see what I did guys to achieve this. Where is the hairpiece? Where is the hairpiece guys? I'm so in love because it looks exactly like my natural hair. I'm telling you guys, people on the streets, on the road are asking me, girl, which product did you use? And what I like mostly is I can section this hair. I can play around this hairstyle like the way I want. Can you see? I can section this part here. I can also section the center line. I can also open the other side, because you can section it into 3 part ways. Okay, yeah, I'm having like 3 or 4 parts. Anyway guys, like, you can just open it. You can use any part that you want. It's either center or side, or anyway guys, if you don't want to have that line, you can just tie it up and do a ponytail. It will be looking like natural hair. Okay guys, can you see that part? Can you see that part? People are asking me, what did you do? How can your hair just grow like that, Sama? What did you do? And I'll be lying. I'll be like, yes, I'm using this particular product, and they believe me. That's the funny part, guys. They believe me. Even if someone is close to me, they can't even tell. They can't even tell that this is a hairpiece. So can you see, guys? I created a short for my TikTok showing you how to style this particular hairstyle, guys, and people are going crazy. People are going crazy, guys. I'm receiving messages, people asking me, girl, which hairpiece is this your hair, which product are you using? People are going crazy, guys. So yeah, I can just try it out, just give it a try. Just try it out, guys. You never go wrong. I'm so in love with my new look. I'm so in love with my new look, because each and every day I'm doing a different hairstyle, guys, and people are confused. That's what I like. Yo, guys, so just try it out, guys. You never go wrong, you never regret. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you're going to try this tutorial. If you've got anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Please do subscribe, comment, guys. Okay, bye.